I'm visiting Sanderson. I'm International Product Manager for Vision Engineering. Vision Engineering are a microscope company, essentially. We make things, make small things look bigger. We do that for a lot of industries. And part of what we want to do and to do is to introduce you to our range of magnification options. We work everything from bench magnifiers that are quite low magnification but very easy to use, all the way through to very high magnification systems for very, very detailed work and kind of everything in between. A lot of our things are stereo, which means you're using both eyes to see depth and be able to understand shapes and contouring and that kind of thing. We're very conscious that colour is important, particularly for dentistry when you're trying to match colours and trying to make things just right. So we're kind of aware of that throughout the piece, but we try to offer a solution for everybody who's starting with their road down magnification all the way through to, say, very detailed, very high magnification work, and we're here to help.
My name's Tony Lang. I'm the International Sales Manager for Vision Engineering, particularly for the OPTA range. Our main market has been sort of industrial, electronics, aerospace, that sort of thing. But in the last sort of year or two, we found a lot of interest from the dental marketplace, particularly dental laboratories, but also dentists, manufacturers of dental implants, that sort of thing. And in general, they're after low-cost, high-performance pieces of equipment, which is exactly where OPTA fits into the marketplace. They sell about £900 for one of these units, including the lighting, the lenses, the stand.
It's ideal for anybody who's hand working with tools. So if you're trying to manipulate, if you're trying to make any shapes, as you look into the head, it's actually a two-dimensional stereo microscope. So you have two views, one for each eye, and that gives you depth perception. You'll see it doesn't have the typical kind of eyepieces like you have a normal microscope. That means you can sit more comfortably and look into it more comfortably and work more comfortably for longer. Concentration is very important, as we know, and so if you're more comfortable, concentration levels are kept higher, and you're able to kind of do a better job, and sort of be more comfortable at the end of the day as well. So you have to work better for longer. It's good for business and good for the operators as well. What we have with the OPTA is we have the option to change lenses, so we have a range of lenses that we can change, work at different magnifications. The core magnifications for this are 4 times and 6 times magnification, which is really good for working with shapes and that kind of contouring and viewing the right light. We have good working distance here, so if I was to be working away, you've got space to get tools in, and be able to make that very easy to use and to kind of get the shaping around that I might need to. But also then my posture as I look into the system is a very neutral neck position, very open eyes. We have access to ambient light, so our irises aren't opening and closing all the time, which just makes it a very natural system to use. I've got options for a range of stands. So we've got this, which is called our universal stand, which swings away or swing in. So if you want to clear space to be doing something else and then just swing it when you need it, that's very easy to use. Or we have what we call track stands, where you can have it set on a fixed position and just keep working with that if that's more what you need.